Finally. God, you will not believe the day I had at work. No, bad. Very bad. A circus must have invaded my workplace because all of my coworkers are clowns. Of course, I'm gonna tell you about it. It's not like I'd say something like that and just leave it there. Besides, I know you like hearing about all the gossip. Oh, I'm mistaken, am I? My bad. I guess if you don't want to hear about it, then I'll just have to find someone else to tell all of today's secrets to. That's what I thought. Scoot over. Let me get next to you. Yeah, I know it's your bed, but I want to cuddle. Come on. You know I like cuddling after a hard day. Just let me get in the bed. Why would that be weird? We cuddle all the time. Oh, right. I guess we usually do cuddle on the couch, huh? Well, then this will be better because we're not squished on the couch. No, I don't think it's weird at all. It's just hanging out in your room on your bed while we cuddle. It's just like doing what we always do, but we'll be on your bed, so we have pillows and blankets. It's just our usual cuddling, but better, since we'll be more comfortable. But if you'd really prefer to cuddle on the couch, then I guess that'll work too. Yes, really. I just really need someone to hold right now. And you're my favorite person to cuddle, so I want it to be you. Of course you are. Who else would I cuddle with? Everyone else annoys me except you. Hey, don't look so smug over there. Wipe that smirk off your face. You know you're way better than everyone else, so don't go around thinking you're special now. I mean, clearly you are, since I approve of you, but there's no need to get a big ego about it. Yeah. Now move over. The consequences of being special are that I get to cuddle you. Come on. I'm not gonna beg. Let me cuddle you. I just said I'm not begging you. I will bribe you, though. How about I'll buy groceries this week. Whatever you want, you just let me know, and I'll get it for you when I go to the store. How's that sound? I mean, I only have so much money, especially if you still want my half of the rent, but sure, whatever you want. Yes, really. Just write it down or text it to me or whatever you want to do. Just let me cuddle with you. You're really just trying to push my buttons, huh? You better thank your lucky stars that you're so damn cute. Now listen close, because I'm only going to say it once. Got it? Can I please cuddle with you now? Oh my god, finally. Thank you. Now scoot over and let me get under the blanket. There we go. Come here. Get closer to me. Closer than that. I want you to wrap your arms around me so I can bury my face in your neck. Because you smell nice, and your neck is warm, and your shoulder makes for a very comfy pillow. It does, actually. When I hug you real close like this, you make the best pillow in the world. No, you're the best. The best, most cuddly pillow in the whole world. No one else even comes close. Doesn't matter. You're the best. No, definitely the best. I am absolutely positive that I'm not gonna meet anyone who's a better pillow than you. Hell, I can barely find anyone that I can stand being around for a few seconds, let alone someone who I can cuddle with like this. Why would I do that? What I mean is that I'm not looking for anyone to date because I already have you. What? Why are you looking at me like that? Because that doesn't make sense. Why would I date someone when I already have you? You look so flustered. What are you surprised about? Of course, I'm serious. Why would I want to date someone else when I have you right here in my arms? Do I really need to spell it out for you? You're lucky I like you so much. More than like, actually. That's exactly what I'm saying. When I tell you that you're the only person that doesn't annoy me, and that you're the only person I like hanging out with, I mean it. And what I'm actually saying when I tell you all those things is that I want you. I only want you. Oh, come on now. Don't look so shy, baby. You don't have to act like you don't feel the same way. Hey, you're holding your breath like you're scared. Are you expecting something bad to happen? Yeah? Like what? Baby, I wouldn't do something like that to you. I know I can be mean to other people, but you're different. And I like you way too much to do anything like that. I promise. I'm serious about this. I'm serious about how I feel for you. Can you please look at me, baby? That's it. Look at me with those gorgeous eyes of yours. See? Nothing to be scared of. It's just me. You know, your favorite roommate ever and the coolest person you know. Maybe even the coolest person of all time, but jury's still out on that one. There's that smile I love so much. So damn cute. Yeah, very cute. Everything about you is adorable, but especially your smile. I do. I mean it with every fiber of my being. Yeah, I meant that too. I want you so bad that I can barely handle it. I want you to be mine. Your eyes lit up at that. Do you want that too, baby? Come here. I want to steal a few kisses from you and see if I can make you smile that cute smile even more. That was every bit as perfect as I thought it would be. And look at that. You're smiling even wider now. Was that what you wanted it to be, baby? More, huh? You're the insatiable type, aren't you? Well, don't worry, baby. I can give you all you want. Of course. You're mine, baby. I'll give you the whole world if you want it. Just a few more kisses. That's a pretty simple request, and I'll be more than happy to fulfill. Tilt your head for me. Just like that. God, I'm never gonna get tired of that. I hope you know that from now on, I'm gonna be stealing a lot of kisses from you. Definitely. Every single opportunity I have, I'm gonna get all the kisses I can from you. Cuddles too. Which reminds me, you're pretty much stuck here for the rest of the night because I don't want to let go of you for even a second. I guess that's fair. So, what do you want in return for giving me all your cuddles? Kisses? Oh, baby. You're too damn cute. Of course, you can have all the kisses you want. Now, you just let me cuddle you while you watch some show or whatever you want to do. I'll be right here for whenever you want another kiss. Of course, baby, I'll give you whatever you want because you are all mine. Now go ahead and watch your show. I'm gonna focus on how much I like snuggling into your neck.